I'm always looking for new ways to cook chicken, but nothing says summer more than cooking chicken on a grill, and I'm going to marinate it in barbecue sauce. The history of this barbecue sauce is pretty amazing. Years ago at Barefoot Contessa, I asked the chef to make 3 different kinds of barbecue sauce so we could test them. I thought, well, one should be sort of mustardy, one should be tomatoey, and one would be maybe Chinesey. And I don't know, when they came out, one was too mustardy, one was too tomatoey, and of course one was too Chinesey. So I took them home and I thought, well, let me play with it a little bit. And I took all 3 of them, I dumped them in one pot, and it was a fabulous barbecue sauce. And that's what I've been using for 25 years. So it's got a lot of ingredients, but it's really worth making. So what I've done here is I've sauteed 1½ cups of onions in vegetable oil with lots of garlic for about 10 minutes until the onions are translucent. And then I'm going to add all these ingredients. 1 cup of tomato paste, which is like 1½ of these small cans. And then 1 cup of cider vinegar. It's good, it's got some sweetness to it. A cup of honey. And this jar is 16 ounces, so I need about half. And none of this has to be exact, just close. 1 cup of mustard. I use good Dijon mustard. This is 8 ounces, so that should do it. One cup of hoisin sauce, which is the Chinese part of the recipe. And hoisin sauce is like a plum sauce. It's very often used for duck, and it's great in this. And this jar is 8 ounces, so it's just a cup. That's the hoisin sauce. And then ½ a cup of Worcestershire sauce. Oh, I hate these little things that they put on the top. So this is 5 ounces, so I need most of this jar. ½ a cup of soy sauce. And all this can be just approximate, just until it tastes great to you. And then lots of great spices. So I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of chili powder. It's going to add lots of spice to it. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Not quite that much. 1 tablespoon of cumin, which is sort of a Tex-Mex spice. Like that. And ½ a tablespoon of really hot red pepper flakes. And you can make this as hot as you want, but I like it sort of hot, but not really hot. So I'm just going to simmer this for about 30 minutes till all the flavors blend together. Can't wait to get to the beach. Everybody's there, lighting the grill, getting everything ready. I'm just going to marinate the chicken. So I'm just going to put it in the bowl. Always smell chicken to make sure it's fresh. So I'm just going to pour some marinade over it. One thing you want to do, though, is make sure it's cold. You can actually combine the chicken and the marinade overnight, and it's even better. So I'm just going to layer it all together. Smooch it all around. It's a technical term, smutch. So that's the chicken and the marinade.